Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walk through a brand new model. This is the new SDX 270, 27-foot SDX from Sea Ray. Completely redesigned from the ground up. Beautiful horizon gray hull, you can see the stainless steel anchor, full water sports tower, a huge bimini on it. This one's got the white V10 400 Verado on it. Such a popular boat for us. It's always been a great selling model, and Sea Ray has only improved it for us. Sea deck throughout, the cockpit, underwater lights and trim tabs, freshwater shower on the back up here. They did a fantastic job with this new layout. You have a big sun pad in the back. This backrest does fold down to make the sun pad even bigger. Stereo controls, USB hookups, cup holders. Again, ton of shade from this water sports tower. It's a huge bimini. Nice, easy walkthrough. Conducive layout here for entertaining. Storage underneath all the seats. Both backrests here at the helm seats go forward and back to make lounges. You can even put inductive chargers here in the gunnel area here near the cup holders. Charge your cell phones. This whole area, because there's no stern drive, you have the outboard, this is all storage. So you push a little button, the whole thing pops up. And look at the storage area in here. Also access to your holding tank and bilge pumps and fuel tank. Really nice. Walking forward here, have your Fusion stereo, little glove box. Really nice helm with flip-up thigh-rise bolsters. Full DTS controls, keyless ignitions. Twin Simrad units. Now we actually have a little cabin on the 27 now, with a vacuum flush toilet, a nice sink, little area to get out of the sun or the rain. Nice storage here on the bow walkthrough. Huge expansive bow. Sea Ray's always giving you a huge bow. You can probably sit 4 people up here comfortably. Really nice access to your windlass. You also have a front boarding ladder and a freshwater washdown. Looking back here, really nicely laid out boat. Can't wait to run it with the V10 400 also. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, your local Sea Ray dealer here in South Florida. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. And this was a new 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270, brand new model. Quick little tour of our full service marina here. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching.